Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a protective hairstyle. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how I get my hair ready for my protective stylings or my wigs. As you can see, I have a lot of hair and I have to put it away somehow to be able to wear the kind of wigs that I wear, because to know me is to know that I wear a lot of wigs. So in order to do that, I need to be able to put my hair away properly so that I can protect my hair from breakage, heat damage, too much manipulation, tight hairstyles, just anything that's gonna prohibit or hinder the health of my hair. So that is what this video is going to be about. I went and got my hair washed, but I did not flat iron it. All I did was I had it washed and I put it in a few little twists, and as you can see here. By the way guys, whenever I go to wash my hair, I always take my own shampoo and conditioner, just because I don't trust anyone. If you guys have seen any of my natural hair videos, you know about my hair horror story. So I don't trust people anymore. People are out there putting chemicals in hair products, and I just don't have time for that. So I took my own conditioner. As you can see, it's the Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner. That is what the hairstylist is using here. I just wanted to interrupt the video real quick to tell you guys this. Some twists were smaller than others. That's why the curls are more, I guess, curlier on this side versus this side. So I had to go to work right after I got my hair washed, and I had to find a way to I guess put it away. So all I could do right then and there was to put it in some twist. So that's what I did, but it ended up turning into a hairstyle. As you can see, this is big and beautiful. I'm loving this. I could actually rock this as a hairstyle. My hair is shiny, it looks clean, it looks healthy, but in order to protect it, I have to put it away for at least a week or two. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I've done a lot of natural hair videos, but that also means that I've been manipulating my hair a lot, and I don't like to do that at all, to be honest. I've just been trying to show you guys all the hair grease, protective styles, blowout, and this and that I normally do for my hair to help it grow. So I'm kind of okay with that, but it is time to put it away. So again, all I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to apply my oils. I have my blend of oils here. And I've already told you guys that in here I have coconut oil, I have olive oil, I have castor oil, extra virgin olive oil. I have a little bit of my aloe vera oil in here. And that is what my blend is. So I literally just put all of them in here. Thanks. Oh, Nettie. Oh my god. Jeez. I'm literally trying to braid my hair, and this guy just came from work.
About hot wings.
And ooh, hot wings.
From Rooster.
Yay! From Rooster.
Yes.
Yeah, let me do this real quick. So anyways, sorry about that guys. I got interrupted by that one over there. But yes, I have the blend of oils here. So all I do is I put them together, pop it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then I will put some on my hair, but just a little bit. But the main areas I like to focus is my scalp. And for the braids, I normally wear a lot of middle part. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to part my hair in the middle. It's already part in the middle, but I'm going to define that part a little bit. And then I'm going to braid it going towards the opposite directions, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing. I have my oils. I'm gonna set it here. I have my rat tail comb. I don't use this part. I never use a small comb like this on my hair. I only use this part to help me part my hair. You never ever want to use a really small comb like this on your hair, because it promotes breakage, at least in my opinion. So if I'm gonna take a comb to my hair, I normally use something with really wide tooth, like the widest tooth comb that I can find is what I normally use. So yeah, I'm going to be braiding my hair into a protective style that's gonna last me at least a week or a week and a half. I'm also going to be oiling my scalp and massaging my scalp to promote hair growth. So please stay tuned. Okay, so first thing first, as I said before, I'm going to take my comb and make a part right down the middle, like so. And then once I make the part, I normally use my finger to detangle my hair. Again, I try my best not to use the comb because that is going to promote breakage and I do not want to break my hair. The point is to protect my hair. So that is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use my finger to do the back of it. Okay, so now that I have my part, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. So I'm going to part the hair like so. It doesn't have to be really small. I have a pimple right here that's bothering me. I normally don't get breakouts on my face, but that one just came out of nowhere and it's right there. So again, I normally start the part with the comb and then I use my finger to finish it up because I just like to be really gentle with my hair. So okay, I got the part there. I'm going to use a hair clip like this one to get the rest of the hair out of the way. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my oil like so, not too much, rub it on my finger, apply it to the hair. It helps make it soft and it also helps me to be able to pass my finger through it. And then I'm going to take the same oil like so and apply it to my scalp like so. And then I'm going to rub it in. Okay, so once that's done, then I'm going to start the braiding process. Okay guys, I have braid number 1 and then I'm just going to repeat the process throughout my entire head. Part it, apply the oil to my scalp, apply some of the oil to my ends, braid it up, and then I'll continue the process. Okay guys, I am done with this entire side. All I have left is this side. But let me show you guys how I braided this and how I ended up with only one I guess end, just so that I don't have a big bump at the back of my head, which looks really weird when you wear wigs. So all I do is I connect the braids and I'm going to turn around. So I braid it, connect it to this one, connect it to this one, and then so forth. So now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to continue to connect the braids like so that the back of my head is flat when I put my wigs on. So that is the point of that. So I'm going to move on to this side. And guys, just because this is a protective style for your wigs, the braids don't have to be the same size. The parts don't have to be perfect. It just needs to be flat enough to where you can wear your wigs without, you know, having it look bumpy, if that makes sense. If anything, I would say the 2 front braids or the 4 front braids should be the flattest, just because that's where your wigs really lay. But the back, it doesn't really matter. Guys, let me just say I really hate doing this. I hate braiding my hair just because it's so tedious. It's the same thing over and over and over. It takes about 30 minutes. I'm gonna speed through this video, but honestly it's gonna take about 30 minutes to do this because I have to part the hair, detangle it, especially the middle part. The middle part gets a little tangled and I have to be very gentle with it because I don't want to pull and snag my hair. So yeah, it takes forever and I'm not a fan of doing it. I'm just reaching for some oil to add to the ends. This just keeps your hair moisturized so it's not dry when it's in the braid. And also you'll notice that when you take your braids out, your hair will be really nice and moisturized. The only thing then is you're gonna have product buildup from the oil and you just have to wash it and do it again. Doing this is very important, especially in the colder winter months. That's when our hair breaks the most. This is the best time to put your hair away. Just wear some braids, some wigs, some crochet braids, just anything you can do to put your natural hair away to where you're not playing with it too much. I would advise that. We're almost done. I have about 3 more braids to go and then yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm almost done. I am literally on the last braid. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see it. I'm going to connect all the braids and I'll have one end. And then I'll take that one end, put it into each other to create kind of like a flat base for my wigs to lay. So let me turn around and show you the last braid. So this is the last braid. I'm just going to continue to braid it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this braid, connect it to this like so, and then braid it. I'm going to try to take this one and connect it to this as well. So I'm going to then take this one, connect it to here, and then braid it down as well. Okay, so that is it. Now, as you can see, I only have one end. Okay, so this is the last braid. I'm just going to finish braiding it up here. And then I'm going to take this and try to fit it in somewhere so that it's not just hanging out. So now, as you can see, I have a flat base in the back. The front is flat, and then all I have to do is put on a wig cap, and then I'll be good to go.